Channels in the Microsoft Teams application is an extension of created teams and is used for having conversations and to collaborate with selected users. Once your team is created, select the three dots next to the team name and select Add a Channel. You can create multiple channels within a team. Simply give the channel a name, which is built around different topics such as team events, department names, or projects. At the top of your channel, you will have additional tabs for conversation posts, sharing files, or other Microsoft applications you wish to upload by selecting the plus icon here and navigating to those applications you wish to add. When you select the Posts tab here, you can see all conversations tied to the channel. If you need to directly chat with a user in your channel, you can do so by typing the @ symbol, then the user's name, and that user will receive a separate notification located here from that conversation. You also have the option of replying directly to a message to keep all conversations organized. The Files tab here allows team members to not only share documents, but work on them together. If you have a lot of channels, select the three dots located next to your channel name, select Pin to keep the most important channels at the top of your list. There are also many other settings you can utilize within the More Options tab here to customize your team channels in the Microsoft Teams application.